Hey everyone. Yeah, I haven't shared in a little while. We've had probably one of the toughest 2 weeks in New Zealand. My daughter got very ill and we had to get her into hospital. She got booked in. She's been there for just over a week. She finally came home last night. So it's been a really rough week and a bit for us. But why I wanted to share all this is one of the things that I've always said, that it's just my wife and I, and that we don't have a support structure here. But one of the things that I've learned over the last week and a bit here in New Zealand with my daughter being ill and being in the hospital is it's really just put my faith back in humanity. There's been so many people, from the doctors, the nurses, the social workers, people bringing therapy dogs in, play therapists, social workers, friends from school. There's been friends at work. We have had a tremendous amount of support, and so many people just being so caring and so empathetic of our situation. From people at my Jesus, it's just overwhelming. It's actually amazing how people actually care, and they really just want to do right by you. I mean, I've seen the guys at work, they've been messaging me, not only telling me to, giving well wishes for my daughter and everything like that, but they're just well wishes for yourself and your own mental well-being and making sure you look out for yourself. There's been doctors and nurses that have been so caring, that actually care, even to the point where I know I could be difficult and I was questioning a lot of stuff that they were recommending, but they really knew where it was coming from and would just listen and try and help, genuinely help. You could see they were doing this not because it was a job, it's something that they're really passionate about. The hospital, with all the social workers, the play therapists, it's amazing. And this is all public hospitals. This is, we're not used to this. We didn't even get this sort of care in private hospitals back home. The teachers at my daughter's school got all the kids to write notes and got it snail mailed off to the hospital so my daughter could open up all the letters from all her classmates. They sent her gifts and toys and chocolates, and it's just been amazing, the support that we've had from the community here. So why I'm sharing this is, I've always said it's just my wife and I, and we don't have that support structure, but this has taught me we do. You move to another country like we have, to New Zealand, and you think you're alone, but one thing I've learned here is the Kiwis, they care. The people that are other immigrants, they care. People actually, they give a damn. And we didn't feel a lot of that back home. Yes, from your own family, but there was no such thing as social workers coming to see you, and there was the nurses and doctors, some of them, even private sector, they were good at what they did, but they didn't really care. Maybe we had a terrible experience, I don't know. But what we've experienced in the last week and a half, although it's been the hardest time ever, it's really, really, just one, it's told me we've done the right thing moving here, but two, it's also just reinstated that humanity is amazing. Okay, they are good people in the world, and we've found them here, so we're grateful. I hope you guys are all keeping well. Stay safe. Chat soon. Ciao.